So, hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. In today's session, we are going to see um, the benefit module in which, okay, so let's go ahead and see what is benefit. So, a benefit in Oracle Fusion refers to a compensation package or non-monetary reward that an employer provides to employees as part of their total compensation. So benefit can include health insurance, retirement saving plan, time paid time off, and other perks designed to support employee well-being and job satisfaction. So benefit, you can think it like there is a company and it want to provide some uh, uh, we can take an example of EBCM company, right, in which it want to provide some benefit based on like benefits to their employees. Okay, so let's say there will be a health insurance plan. Okay, so health insurance benefit, and it want the company wants to provide health insurance benefit to all the employees. So for that, in Oracle, we will create an benefit program for all the employee, in which the it will have some eligibility criteria based on which the eligible candidates will be picked up from the benefit. Okay, we will get the benefit, and there are plan type. We'll see the structure of benefit in a bit. So have some for now, let's discuss the key characteristics of benefit. So, structured offering, eligibility criteria, customizable, dynamic updates. So, benefits are organized into programs, plan type, plans, and options for making it easy for employees to select the one of the one that suits their needs. Okay, so it is a structured offering. Okay, so in benefit, it like there will be a program, plan type, plans, and options. Okay, uh, so it will follow a structure. So this is then structured offering. Then the second key characteristic is eligibility criteria. So if you want to like a specific employee should be if you have a criteria like let's say you want to the age, this age should be 18 to 60. Okay, you want to apply that benefit for the specific criteria. So in the eligibility criteria, it provides you the characteristics for that. Also, you have eligibility criteria in that. Then comes your customizable. Employers can design benefit package that caters to their workforce needs, such as flexible time spending options or additional life insurance. If there is a yeah, you can have different plans in your benefits. Okay, in the inside your program. Okay, then there is dynamic updates. So benefits can adjust based on life events, for example marriage, childbirth, or employment changes. If the employer like for example if the person get promoted, or there is a job transfer. Okay, so it can be adjusted, right? uh, that will come under your life event. It is a mm, part of benefit. Okay, let's move ahead and see some of the examples which uh, of the benefit. So health benefit. Okay, in which you can have medical, dental, vision insurance plan. So based on your health, basic like your medical will cover almost your entire medical benefits, okay, insurance. And then comes your dental and vision if you have taken your benefit based on different plans. Okay, then there is your retirement benefits, which is your pension plan or 401k plan. Okay, life insurance benefit in which coverage for employees and their dependents. So, okay, yeah. Then there is wellness program in which gym membership, mental health counseling, these things will be covered in your wellness program. Okay, then there is paid leave, vacation. Okay, these kind of benefits you can attach to your you can provide to your employees. Okay, so health, retirement benefit, life insurance, wellness program, paid leaves. Okay, so that also come. This is your non-monetary reward. Okay, the paid leaves are also your benefit. Okay, so vacation days, maternity, paternity leaves, these kind of things you will get in your benefit as a benefit. Now, what is the purpose of benefit? So it attracts talent. Okay, the first thing you will get is it attracts talents to your company. So competitive benefit package make an organization more appealing to potential employees. So you will get more potential employee in your organization. They will get attracted to your organization. Like if you are providing health benefit, life insurance, paid leaves, these kind of benefits you are providing. So uh, you can put onto your profile. Okay, and then if uh, like when the when you upload uh, uh, like for hiring purpose, yeah, at that time you can tell them like these are the benefits we are providing, and that will attract talent. Okay, so more people will be get attracted and will want to work in your organization. Second is retain employees. Benefit shows investment in employees. So you are investing in your employee with the benefit, okay, for well-being, okay, and it increases loyalty and satisfaction into the employees. Okay, so when you are investing onto you are providing these benefits, it gives you it it increases loyalty and satisfaction onto your employees. So they will be like they will be satisfied, like I have health benefit, right? I don't have to worry about my health benefit. And retirement benefit, like you do after I get my retirement, I don't have to worry about my income, right? You will be having your pension plan in that. Okay, then there is compliance, which helps meet legal obligation related to employees compensation and welfare. Okay, now this is the building block of benefit. Okay, on the left hand side you can see here is program, plan type, plan, option, and on the right you can see is are the rules, which are eligibility profile, employee enrollment, rates and coverages, designation, certification, and action items. Okay, so yeah, left hand side is the structure, right hand side are the rules. In the rules you can see eligibility profile, enrollment, rate and coverages. Eligibility profile determines whether a person qualifies for a benefits offering. uh, in inside enrollment, it can be general, scheduled, and life event. If there is a change in your life event, like if you get marriage, and if you have a child, so then that there is a life event which is happening in your life, like there is your spouse. Okay, so these things will come under your enrollment. Then there is rate and coverages. Inside rate and coverages, you have standard, variable coverages, and variable coverages. So there is standard rates, variable rates, coverages, and variable coverages. Then there is designations based on your designation, certification, if you have done certain certification, and action items. These are actually the rules which will define on which person your benefit is applicable. Okay, who all are eligible for this benefit, taking this benefit. Like if I take an example, uh, for a dependent health insurance, right? So you must be having your spouse who is dependent on you. Okay, and you might have a child who depends on you, right? So that if you define that into your life event enrollment or the eligibility profile, uh, yeah, rule, so that the dependent rule or health insurance will be applicable to your uh, spouse or your dependent child. And on the left hand side, this is the structure, right? This is the first thing is your program. Okay, inside that you will be having plan types, then plan and the options. So the first thing is your program. So this is the package which is related to benefit. Okay, inside that you will be having you can have multiple plan type depending on your requirement. So plan type is your medical or dental insurance. That can be your plan type, and then inside that you will be having plans. So this is a special offering within the plan type. Then there is options, in which then there is an options which is uh, an electable choice within a plan, such as coverage. Okay, so this is inside a plan. If there is an option, like you can choose this plan, or like uh, yeah, there will be different option inside a plan, so you can create that also. Let's move ahead and let's see our benefit eligibility example. So there is a program. Let's say you have a city employee program, benefit program, and inside that you have different plans. So there is medical plan, dental plan option. Sorry, there's a dental plan and vision plan, life insurance. Okay, these are the plans you have. Okay, and inside those plans you have options, right? So options are medical HMO, medical PPO, medical HP, comprehensive dental, preventive dental. uh, then there is see better, if you like, there is a vision plan you have taken. Then there is basic life, supplemental life. These kind of options you have in your inside your plan. So there is plan, inside that your plan, sorry, there is program, inside that you have plans, and inside plans you have your options, right? So you can provide different eligibility and enrollment rules that can be applied at any level. Okay, so here if you want there is an unrepresented employee and bargaining unit employees. Okay, so you want to provide basic life for unrepresented employee and bargaining unit employee, you want to provide supplemental life. Okay, so if the person is unrepresented employees, then this supplemental life will not be available for this unrepresented employee, right? And you can have different rates which can be applied to all the plans mm, inside your program. Okay, so let's now go ahead and move to our instance. Okay, and let's see example for benefit program. So you need to log in as a benefit administrator. Inside okay, inside that you will come to uh, plan configuration, and here you can see your programs and plans. Okay, then you have rates and coverages, eligibility profile, and if you go to the task pane, you will see benefit life event. Okay, plan types, benefit options. These things are we will discuss when we are creating our plans. That time we'll discuss plan type, benefit options, these things. Okay, so let me search for a plan program name. So, okay. Mm, okay, so this is your program. Inside that you can see there are six train stops, which is basic detail, additional configuration, eligibility, enrollment, designation requirements, documents upload. Okay, so if I come over here, eligibility profile, enrollment, and designation certification action items are covered over here. Eligibility, enrollment, okay, designation requirements, these all things are covered inside your program itself. Okay, then this is your general information where your plan program name is there, program type which can be core or flex credit plus, status is your status, communicated rate, frequency. Let me do one thing. Yeah, so inside you can yeah, you can see program types are core, flex credit, flex credit plus core. Then there is your communicated rate frequency, which is per month. Okay, estimated pay period. These are things. Okay, you will get when this program will be running. Okay, rate level, at which level this plan will be applicable. Then there is currency, default currency program. So if you are attaching this for your US, then you have to select US dollar. Inside that, you will find availability, for which year, actually this is defining the years for which this program will be available. If I select and add, you have 2026, 2027, 8, 9, 9 and 30. 2025 must be added over here already. Yes, it's over here. Okay, so you have for how many period date like years it will be available, you have to add it manually. Then there is your plans and client type. So inside programs I've already defined, you can have many multiple plans and plan type. So this is your plan type and this is your plan. Okay, so medical is your plan type, and inside that, this global uh, indemnity plan, medical HMO plan, medical PPO, these are your plan types. Okay, so when we are creating our plans, at that time we'll understand what uh, how we are going to create our plans. Okay, and how we will attach is simply we add a plan type. Okay, if you want to add a plan, you can do it over here as well. Okay, or either when we are when you are creating a plan, at that time you can add your plan type inside that. Okay, then there's your there comes your additional configuration. Okay, inside that, if you want a reporting group, you want to add organization, plan design documents, these things. Then this your eligibility. Okay, inside that, these are your programs. Okay, and if I go to action update, yeah, so this is your general eligibility, in which participation, when the participation can be taken, you have different option for the start date, uh, as of event, when the event was held at that time, this program is applicable, or different like first of month, you have different option. Okay, and okay, let me cover this. Okay, waiting period, unit of measure, you have months, quarters, or weeks. Okay, how many months it has been, you want to measure. Then there is previous end date. Okay, when it ended the last time. So uh, as of event date, you can select. Okay, so like something happened on like you some event happened on let's say today, 27th December. Okay, and if like it ended previously on uh, 27th December 2025, so it will take an year, so you will select here. Okay, unit of measure will be a year. Then also you can here also you can provide period start date, and you have formula option if you want to add any fast formula inside that. So Oracle has provided us that flexibility, so you can add these uh, you can add logics in here. And eligibility profile, you can again add your eligibility formula over here. Then there is your life event. Okay. If you want to add a life event, like add a child, okay, then domestic partner, age changed, divorce, these kind of life events you can attach in your life event. Configuration is not much over here, but you will have a family member rule in which you can check designation requirement, do not check designation requirements. You can attach again your fast formula. You can attach fast formula in over like everywhere. Most of the things are like your start date, end date, previous date measure, waiting period. These things here you can apply your fast formula. The next change stop will be enrollment. Okay, so again at the top you will having your uh, program name, inside that plan type, plan name, and then plan. Okay, so this is the hierarchy it is showing, and again there is general, and the general information is there, the same thing. Just give me a second. Yeah, so this is your enrollment method is explicit. This uh, you will be applying for the specific person. If I see, select automatic enrollment to enroll eligible participant without requiring them to make a explicit election. So if they want to create any explicit mm, method, or if you have a formula written, then you can select the automatic enrollment and pass out your formula in here in the automatic formula. Okay, so yeah, so this is your eligibility enrollment, then your designation and requirements. Again, the same things. Let's not go deep inside that. So this I just want to show you the hierarchy and the train stops. Okay, and so if there is any documents upload, okay, like birth certificate, death certificate, these things are your certificate you want, right, for to get that benefit. Okay, okay, so this is your program, and then the second thing is your plan. Let's search for a plan which is ACA medical. Again, the general basic details are there. Okay, your plan name, where usage in program or not in program, it's up to you. Okay, then there is availability again inside your uh, plan, and then there is your options. So see the options. You have participant only, participant plus one, participant plus family, wave coverage, wave coverage, sorry. So these are the options this particular plan gets. So you can add your yeah, yeah, either it can be the employee itself or employee or plus one, or someone else employer can add into the benefit program, or it can be participant plus family, and the entire family will be covered, or wave coverage. This Then there is same thing, the configuration. Okay, additional configuration, you can see reporting group, regulation, organization image. These are additional eligibility. The configuration, then there's eligibility, same thing. You can add participation, life event, allow people dependent or beneficiary. Okay, so if I add a profile, okay, so ACA eligibility, there are eligibility profile. We have there are which will be applicable. Again, you have the leverage to uh, apply a fast formula, so this can be automated. Life event, again, allowable beneficiary. So if I click on create relation, it will be family, children, domestic partner, same thing. And then there will be there's going to be a designation type, which is it is a beneficiary or dependent based on yeah. So if it is a dependent like children, okay. If I click on add, the relation type is child. You have to select, and if I click on OK, the designation will be added over here. So that's okay. Again, the same thing as our program was there. Certification, designation, primary physician care. Okay. Uh, if there is any the person is going through with any uh, like physician gear, then that information will be added over here. So participant designation rule, you can set as optional. Okay, so last option is your document uploads. If any documents are required for the benefit to cross verify, that can I can further if approve that, right? If something if a baby is born and is having a child, then they have to apply a attach a birth certificate, so the plan will be applicable to them. Then there is your rate and coverages. Inside that you can see standard rates, variable profiles coverages, variable coverages rate. So uh, standard rate for the health insurance, there is $500 assigned to each employees. So that is the standard rate. Variable rate will be if any event occur and some changes in the rates, so it will be uh, applicable over here. Then coverages rate. So like if there is a dependent, your spouse is covered inside the plan benefit, so that you have to specify over here. Then the last is your eligibility profile. So we have already discussed it, uh, right? So who will be eligible for that, for this benefit program? Okay, so for today, that's all for today. Thank you for watching the session. We will meet in the next section. Thank you.